Leaf springs on a Ford F-150 always seem fine, until they suddenly aren't. Maybe you heard a thud over a speed bump, or your bed is sagging like a hammock with two grown men. That's your truck's way of pouting. The biggest pain point? Time. If you use your truck for work, you need it operational. These springs control ride height, towing, and stability. A worn-out leaf spring can mean bottoming out with every load, or worse, eating through your rear tires in under 5,000 miles. I didn't just wake up knowing this stuff. The first time I tried a leaf spring swap, I figured, how hard could it be? Surprise, those U-bolts were rusted tighter than my coffee budget. Pro tip, soak everything with penetrating oil a day in advance. Start by parking on flat ground and chalking your front wheels. Jack up the rear, support it with solid jack stands, and take off both rear wheels. I learned the hard way that trucks can tip if you rush this step or only lift one side. Now you're staring at the U-bolts under the axle and possibly questioning life decisions. These hold the leaf spring and axle together. Loosen and remove them completely. Impact gun helps, but a 4-foot breaker bar is sometimes your best friend. With the axle now free, support it with a separate jack. You don't want gravity slamming it down like it's mad at you. The leaf spring itself usually has bolts at the front and rear hangers. Remove those next. Keep note, one might have less clearance than your patience after tax season. If your leaf spring has a center bolt that's snapped, or you're seeing splintered metal, that's your confirmation. Replacement isn't just nice, it's urgent. Neglect can cost thousands in related repairs, especially if your bed starts smacking your cab. Slide out the old spring and fish the new one into place. The new spring should basically slide in as smoothly as a new phone in a case. If it's fighting you, check if the bushings are lined up and nothing's in a bind. Don't force it. Install the front and rear bolts loosely first. Let the truck rest under its own weight before you torque them down all the way. This keeps the bushings from twisting and wearing out early. Pro tip, almost no shade tree mechanic follows this, but it doubles bushing life. Reattach the axle to the new leaf spring using new U-bolts. Pro mechanics replace these every time due to the way they stretch, and yes, I've seen a reused bolt snap and drop a whole axle at 40 miles per hour. That's a memory you don't want. Double-check all your torques with a real torque wrench. Good practice is 100 to 120 pound-feet for U-bolts on most F-150s, but check a manual. Mistakes here mean your rear end could be as loose as my high school jeans. Nobody wants that. Reinstall the wheels, lower the truck, and bounce the bed a few times to settle everything. Listen for squeaks or clunks. Pro tip, a little silicone on the bushings is better than WD-40 long-term. Now's a great time for a test drive, up and down your block. Replaced springs are a huge ride upgrade if yours were shot. Less bounce, more stability, and, let's be honest, your ego stays intact when you haul firewood or hit potholes. If you've ever loaded 1,000 pounds and watched your bed squat, you'll appreciate the fix that much more.